Hello and welcome to Crypto Based Media. I hope everyone can hear me clearly. Oh, fine. 17 of us now. So let's just hold on so that more people can join in. You can as well do well to carry this link, share it with your friends so that they can join us on here as well. Share it with your friends so that they can join us as well. Fine, fine. Great. I can see that we are increasing in numbers. So quickly, let me do the introduction first. So my name is Rock, and I am a cryptocurrency trader just like you guys here. And I'm not just a trader; I'm also a crypto tutor. This is exactly the reason why I'm here. And you are currently watching crypto-based media. It's crypto-based media and crypto pastor that made it possible for us to be here tonight. That made it possible for us to be discussing tonight. So tonight we are going to be looking at how to win in the financial market, in cryptocurrency, most especially. Do you understand that? And as always, if this is not your first time of joining us, you already know that whenever you see Rock in the Wheel of Steel, then you know everything is full of energy and full of knowledge and, full of profitable knowledge that will help you get better in your trading. So that's on the introduction from my end. So right now, I would like you guys to also introduce yourself. Tell me your name and where you are watching from. So quickly, let's do that ASAP. Your name and where you are watching from. Your name and where you are watching from. I'd really like to know your name and where you are watching from. So quickly, let's make that happen. I'd like to know your name and where you are watching from. Okay, okay. I've said Cypran Ashiwobere from Rivers. I hope I got that name correctly. Yeah, Mary Ann. Okay, IJ, sorry, IJ from Benue, Uju from Abuja, Reuben from Taraba State, Musa Ismaila from Lagos, Daniel from Abuja. You all are welcome. So if you are just joining us, make sure that you go into the comment section. I want to know you guys. I like my sessions to be very, very interactive. I want to know what's your name and where you're watching from tonight. What's your name and where you're watching from tonight? Okay, I can see Daniel from Abuja also. I can see Benga from Lagos. I can see Michael from Imo State. I can see Robert from Abuja. I can see Al Bashir from Niger State. I can see Bright says he's watching from P2P. Come on. Come on, don't kill me. Okay, let them say from Lagos. I can see uh, Saminaka from Kaduna State, Liri Federal Constituency. In fact, you added your whole location. That's fine. I hope I got your name correctly though. I can see Isaac from Abuja, Ephraim from Plateau, Gaddafi from Kano, Babalola from Sokoto, Godzu from Abuja, Emmanuel from Ibadan. I can see Albert from Enugu. Yeah, that's all good. That's all good. Oh, another person, Prosper from Ghana. Wow, that's interesting. Prosper from Ghana. So we have a Ghanaian here. That's interesting. That's interesting. Michael from Imo State. Fine, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So let's get straight on to business. Let's get straight on to business. Like always, what we are going to be doing is first we will be looking at the current state of the financial market, where it looks like the market is heading towards, where it looks like the coin is what the market is doing, and we're also going to be looking at the investment part of it. Coins that you can invest in that will bring you money, or how to research on these coins, right? Or coins that are currently trending. You get me now? And what else? What else? What else? We're also going to be looking at our Bybit interface for those that are new to the Bybit app. See, if you are not using Bybit to trade, you're on a long thing. You're on a long thing. And let me quickly arrest this situation. I noticed that a lot of people get this complaint. A lot of people get this complaint. They said they are unable to access their, what is it called, their Bybit app on the desktop or on laptop. If you are unable to do that, or you're unable to access even Bybit.com on your phone, what you should do instead of typing Bybit.com is just type bybitglobal.com. Do you get it now? So BYBIT global GLOBAL.com. Do you understand that now? And you have access to the Bybit app. We're also going to be talking about the Nigerian government blocking this and that, blocking P2P, blocking that size, blocking that crypto, their war against crypto, and what have you. I think we should even talk about that first. What do you guys say? I think we should talk about the crypto restrictions in Nigeria. It looks like it's a big topic now. So the thing is, the Nigerian government, they feel, or they blame the rise in dollar, the rise in the price of the currency pair naira and dollar to one of the cryptocurrency exchange that we have. We have a lot of cryptocurrency exchange. We have Bybit. Bybit comes first. Bybit is number one. You understand that now? So Bybit comes first, followed by Binance, followed by KuCoin, followed by, and a lot of them. So in fact, they successfully ended, or should I say this, they successfully closed the P2P market on Binance, which is unfortunate for that particular crypto exchange. But the fact is that this thing is, sorry, excuse me, one sec, please. Okay, fine. So the fact is that nobody can block crypto. Do you understand this? Nobody can block crypto. Even if you block a particular P2P platform, we still have people that trade personal, P2P, and everything is still ongoing, money is still moving. And unfortunately, it's just unfortunate that the government keeps on blaming their own faults and everything. They look for somebody to blame it on. Do you understand that now? They look for somebody to blame it on. And that is why they are blaming it on we, the crypto guys, which is not so. It's not so. If um if the country is going on well, where there is production, there is no much imports and exports, there is no high need for the dollars, and the economy is doing very, very fine, there is no reason why people will want to be going towards the dollar, because obviously, when you see that the dollar is gaining momentum, and if you are holding naira, it looks like you're at a disadvantage. And as a Nigerian, you don't want to be at a disadvantage, because at the end of the day, your purchasing power will be low. Do you understand that now? So for you to avoid that, the best bet is to probably save in USDT or buy USDT. Do you understand that now? But they've been doing a great job. I think this afternoon I still saw dollar rate at 1,500 per dollar. Yeah, it's still okay. I think if we maintain this rate, it's still okay. If we maintain this rate, it's still okay. Do you understand? Let them just leave it at that. Let them just leave it at that rate. It shouldn't increase. It shouldn't reduce. It should just be there, because at the end of the day, if dollar gets to 2,000 per dollar, it's fine. We crypto guys can be rejoicing. We have our money in USDT, we have our money. But at the end of the day, it will still affect us. It might not just affect us much, but it will still affect us, because some of us, we work, and then what we get, our money, the money we get, we actually uh, put this money, we want to convert this money to USDT later on. Now, if you now want to convert this money to USDT, the amount of USDT we'll be getting from this money will not be much anymore. So it's not paying us as well. It's not paying us as well. Do you understand that? It's not paying us. So let's just pray for the stability of the economy. That's it. That's it. I'm not a person that will say, okay, the dollar should rise, the dollar should rise. No, 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 no. Because at the end of the day, if our purchasing power is low and there is a lot of inflation, and is leading us to somewhere like a country like Venezuela, where those ones are using a wheelbarrow to push a whole $1, that would be very, very bad. It will be very, very bad. Do you understand that now? I pray we don't get to that situation, and I pray everything is going to fix itself soon. So for people that think crypto guys are evil and then we just want the dollars to increase, no, we don't want the dollars to just increase it, because at the end of the day, so it affects us. Some of us do business that we want to put our naira, we want to put it back in dollars, and at the end of the day, if we convert it, the dollars our value will not be that much, and we don't want that. You understand that now? We don't want that. So we just pray that the economy gets more stable. You understand? So that is it. Now, let's go to the real business. I like to start with analyzing first, looking at the state of the market. And then I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys right now. Present, share screen, share screen. So let me just share this guy with you. Share. Yeah, so excuse me. Okay, let's move on. So we have Bitcoin USDT right here. We have Bitcoin USDT right here. Looks like Bitcoin has started gaining momentum again. Started gaining momentum again. Let's start from our monthly time frame. Let's see. Let's really see what's going on. So this is the monthly time frame. This is like a longer time frame. Do you understand? So this was 2021, 2020, 2020, 2021 bull market, and then we had this big drawdown, and then the markets continued to pump, and then we had this bearish market in 2022 towards 2023 as well, and January 2023, everything started to get better, and everything started to get good. The market started pumping, everywhere was good, and everywhere was going and going and going and going. You understand that now? So fine. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is at 62,889. We had this very big green candle. This candle alone generated about 43%. This monthly candle, February was very, very good for crypto. I pray March doesn't come down, because historically March has always been that month that dumps and do all those stuffs. You understand? March has always been that month. If we look at March in 2022, okay, there was really no much activity there in 2022 March. It's just like this average candle. But let's look at March of 2021. March of 2021 was even good. It was good. It was good. Oh, it was March of 2020 that was crazy. But I knew there was one March that was really crazy. I think this was the month of coronavirus. It was immediately after that coronavirus that we started pumping them. Was immediately after coronavirus. So that is that for the monthly time frame. You can see that we are currently headed to the upside. We are currently headed to the upside. And then as I'm looking at this chart, we might go higher than this. Do you understand? We might go higher than this. So that is that about the monthly time frame. And then also the weekly time frame, which is the 1 week time frame. You understand that looking at this guy right here, we can see that we are also in an uptrend. You can see that we are also in an uptrend in the weekly time frame. Fine. Uh, this tool I'm currently using is called the parallel channel. It's called the channel. So instead of just drawing with what is it called? With your trend line where it just gives you one line. This one gives you more accessibility to the trend. Do you understand that now? So you can see this right now that even this guy, it has jumped up and it has jumped above his current high trend, and the momentum is very, very high right now. Me personally, I won't be advising anyone to buy a coin now. I'll advise that you wait for a pullback. It's only if you want to be trading futures. But if you want to buy coins on spot and stuff like that, it depends on the kind of coin, anyways. If it's a coin that has been dumping and has not yet pumped and is showing some sign of accumulation, then I can say you can still buy that. Sign of accumulation I'm talking about is something like this. Do you understand? It's something like this. Something like this is called accumulation. Accumulation is those small candles that happens just before a bull run. Do you understand? That is accumulation. Here's another example of accumulation here. You can see those guys. You can see that it looks like retail traders are accumulating. Small people are accumulating. They keep accumulating till the big money now jumps in. And basically, even if you are going to be investing in any assets, you should also use that same method. Accumulate before the big guys get into the coin. Do you understand that now? Accumulate first before the big guys get into the coin. So if you are going to be making a research, make sure that you are doing that. We released a video about research. Was it this week? Yeah, I think it was this week. Let me see if I can play you guys that video. Let me head over to YouTube. Um, YouTube.com. Yeah, let me see. Okay, yeah, let's share this. Yeah, I hope you guys are seeing this. So let's search for our videos. Where's this tab again? Okay, fine. I want you guys to watch this closely. I want you guys to watch this closely. So four things to check before investing. Can I? Oh, this is studio.youtube.com. Can I not watch it on YouTube? Okay. Did everyone catch that? Did everyone catch that? Let me know. Let me know if you watched that video. Send crypto based media in the chat session. Oh, okay. Somebody said I should zoom it. Okay, don't worry. I'll do that again. I'll do that again. I'll do that again. I'll do that again. Let me zoom it in. Sorry about that. Did you guys get that now? Did you get that now? Did you get that now? Let me know if you got that. Let me know if you got that in the chat session. Okay, what is this? Why are you showing me remote? Why? So let me know if you got that in the chat session. Let me know if you got that in the chat session. Ah, you guys didn't see it. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? So nobody watched that video. Are you kidding me? Is there anybody? Are you serious? Okay, I think this is what I'm going to do. I have to open another tab, right? Because I wanted is what we need to use. I wanted you guys to see that thing now. Let me use this youtube.com. I'll use youtube.com. Why now? Why? So nobody saw the video. But you guys are already watching it too. Uh-uh. That's very bad. So I was the only one that was watching the video. Ha! Imagine. Imagine. Oh. Okay. So it refused to play. Okay. I'm going to share my screen again. I'm going to share my screen again. I'm going to share my screen again. Present, share screen, window, this guy. Or let me quickly share my entire this thing. Let me share my entire screen, right? Why is it not taking? Okay. So share entire screen. Okay. So now I hope you guys are seeing this now. So you guys should be able to see now. Let me play it for one last time.
checklists you must look at. Here are 4 checklists you must look at before buying or investing in any cryptocurrency project. Number one is the team. Who are the people behind this project? Are they real people with real faces online? And are you sure that these people won't run away with your money and do a rug pull at the end of the day? Talking about rug pull, it will take us to the second point. The second point is tokenomics. Tokenomics is simply token allocation. You must check the allocation of the coin that is being given to the team, the investors, and every other major key players in that particular project. What you are looking at in the tokenomics is to make sure that there is no large portion in the hands of the investors or in the hands of the team in such a way that they can easily do a rug pull and cause the coin to go down drastically. You must make sure that the tokenomics of the coin is perfect. The next one is marketing. Does this project have a marketing plan, or are they currently doing any marketing? Because no matter how good a project is, if they don't have a plan to market these projects to new investors to come in, then there is no probability that that coin is going to be seen by a lot of people. So whatever project it is you are investing in, you must make sure that they have a current marketing going on, or they have planned to market the projects in the future. Saving the best for the last is usability. If a coin doesn't have what it is used for, or a particular problem that it is solving, then you shouldn't be buying the coin at the first place, unless it is a meme coin. Usability is the reason why you and many other investors should be putting your money into that coin at the first place, because a token that has usability will appeal to a lot of investors and retail traders, and at the end of the day, it will give it higher potential to pump in the future. With these 4 checklists, you can be sure that you are investing in good projects that will give you a lot of profits in the 2024 bull run. Like this video and subscribe.
Now you guys can see that now. I'm sure everyone can see that. I'm very sure everyone can see that. If you watch that, if you just watch that now, send crypto based media in the chat section. Feeling like Papillo. Drop crypto based media in the chat section. If you watch that now, drop crypto based media in the chat section. Aha, better, better. Because some people are saying capital no. I don't know where you put your phone. No. I don't know where you put your phone. I don't know where you put your phone. I had to use my own mobile device to access to see whether I actually saw it. So basically, aha, thank you. I can see a lot of people actually watching. So basically, it's all about investing. Do you understand? Because if you want to make money in a bull run, you don't just buy and sell with the futures markets. Do you understand? You don't just buy and sell with the futures markets. What you do is that you also invest. You also do some spot buys. And if you want to be doing your spot buys, make sure that you are making use of Bybit. Do you understand that now? Make sure that you are making use of Bybit to do your spot buys if you want to do your spot buys. And it is also very, very simple to go about it on Bybit. On Bybit, you can easily come here, search for any coin that you're looking for, and then you're definitely going to see how to buy the coin. Do you understand? So it's just very, very easy. There's this coin that is currently trending right now, Portal USDT. I think it's a new coin. And we also have a lot of new coins too that are really, really trending and really, really doing very well. Do you understand that now? So this Portal coin is currently at 2.3. And if you want to buy a coin like this, is actually very easy. Just come to this other price as long as you've already set the price at which you want to buy. Let's say, for instance, we are waiting for this coin to dump to this guy, to this point here, to 2.1 before you buy. Now, what you are going to do is to just use this place, the other price box, tap in 2.1 there, and then the quantity of the portal you want to buy. So you have to input the quantity in USDT. Do you get that now? So let's say you want to buy $100 portal, yes, that will give you 47.61 in portal. Do you understand? $100 value portal, and then you click on buy portal. So once the price of portal gets to 2.1, then you will see that your order will be automatically filled. So Bybit is actually one of those exchanges that lists these small projects on time, even before these projects really start pumping. Before any other exchanges start listing them, Bybit is always updating me that they've started a new project, or they've listed a new project. In fact, this is where you can really see. I think there should be a place where you can really see new coins that are coming out in where this thing. Let's see, there should be somewhere like section or something like that. There should be somewhere like section coming. Oh, let's go. Is it market? I believe it's something that you can see in the app, anyways. So you see coins that are new coins. Even if you have the Bybit app itself, Bybit will automatically update you that okay, this coin is about to be listed. This coin is going to be listed. So you already know the kind of coins that are there for you. Okay, we have a lot of ecosystems right here. Yes, I've seen it. I think I've seen it. You can see the innovation zone. Where did that thing run to? No, no, no. No, I'm not here. Uh, it's just a place where you can see the okay. I think in this trade, sports trading, and then if you come to this ecosystem, yes, if you come to this ecosystem, come to innovation zone, you should be able to see coins that are in their innovation phase, coins that are just listed, coins that just started. Do you understand? So you can see them. You can see them. There are a lot of them right there. If you open Bybit on your phone, you are definitely going to see it. So that is it, guys. So the best thing is to invest in assets when the price has not really increased. Do you understand? And you can use Bybit to also check the price history or use Coin Market Cap to check the history so you can easily buy. Now, if you are not registered on Bybit, make sure that you use our link to register on Bybit. Guys, this particular session is free for you guys. Do you understand? You are not paying a dime to access this particular session. So just head over to our Telegram group or probably on the WhatsApp when Crypto Pastor posts it. Make sure that you take that link, copy that link, and then paste it probably in your web browser, or just click on the link and then you'll be able to register on Bybit. So once you register on Bybit, just sign up using the link. And if you already have a Bybit account, what you should do is to register with our own link so you can have access to the bonus. You get me now? So what you need to do is probably move your funds from that your Bybit previous Bybit wallet, move it to your Trust wallet. Do you understand? So when you click on the our link and then you register with our link, and then you can be able to transfer your funds from that Trust wallet into your new Bybit account. Do you understand that now using our link? So it's very important that you use that link. It's very, very important. And for those that don't have access to the link, I will tell Crypto Pastor to send in the link again immediately after this meeting. So immediately after this meeting, if you are not registered on Bybit, make sure that you can register on Bybit. It's very, very important. Do you understand that now? So we have a lot of coins. In fact, you can see information about each coin there. So look at this now. Portal is a cross-chain gaming platform with a mission to onboard more players to Web 3.0. That's part of the reason why Portal is really trending. The Portal platform makes discovery and playing Web 3 games seamless. Guys, let me tell you what is trending right now. AI, any coins that is AI is trending. Do you understand that? Aside from AI, Web 3 coins too are trending. Do you understand? Aside from AI, coins that are Web 3, these coins are also trending. So you can even easily see the categories of this coin if you go ahead to coin. Let's use CoinGecko. We no longer use CoinGecko last. CoinGecko.com. Fine. We no longer use CoinGecko. I hope you guys are seeing my screen anyways. Let me share the CoinGecko screen. Share screen. CoinGecko.com. Done. So here is CoinGecko.com. Yeah, this is like, should I say an aggregator, but you have information about most coins right here. Most coins, you have information about them right here. Even if you look at, you can even easily search for coins that have not yet listed on popular exchanges. Everything is right here, and you can also see coins that are new projects. You can as well see them here on this CoinGecko.com. So it's just easy. Let's take this beep for instance, or is it baby? This particular coin looks like a meme coin, anyways. Looks like a meme coin. Beep price, you can see that 0.0000000001815. The zeros, I think it is 9 zeros. That's why it's always like that. You see, it's 9 zeros. I'm not wrong. See now, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah 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 blah. So that's it. So now you can look at that. The price of BIP today with the 24-hour trading volume is 17,000. You can also see the price history right here. You can see the white paper here. You can see their community. You can see their ecosystem, and you should also be able to see the exchanges that this BB is listed. Let's see exchanges. No, not there. But basically, that's it. Basically, that's it. The fully diluted valuation. Okay, the market cap. Let me see the market cap. The 24-hour trading volume is $17,000, and it looks like it's currently dumping. Anyways, it's currently dumping. Anyways. But guys, if you do your research, you'll be able to know a coin that is good for you to buy. Do you understand? If you do your research. So basically, if I'm the one that I want to buy a kind of coin like this, I'll wait till the coin actually is in its accumulation phase. What's accumulation phase? When it starts giving me this green and red candles on the same line. Do you understand? So if it starts that, I know, okay, it looks like this coin is currently getting accumulated and then I want to buy. Look at the price history right here. It's currently at 0.000186. Now, if this coin pumps to even this guy 0.00441, you know how many percentage profit that is going to be? That would be very, very long. Do you understand? It's very, very long. And it looks like it is even close to its all time low safe. So this coin is still undervalued, although you should be careful. It is a meme coin and it's on the pancake swap. And I think the part of the meme coins that are really trending right now are the Solana own. Let's take a look at Solana meme coins, or let's take a look at the Solana ecosystem. So the Solana is really even Solana coin itself is really really trending. Do you understand? So dexscreener.com is the Solana ecosystem. I mean, is a screener that you can use to check a lot of coins that are in their incubation period or coins that are in their early period. Look at this Trump soul. This particular Trump soul, if Trump wins American president, if he gets to be the American president, I'm very sure that this kind of coin will pump like crazy. Look at the liquidity, $121,000. Fully diluted market cap is $2 million. Look at that. Most of them are on the Sol ecosystem. And coins that are on the Sol ecosystem, you can use bunk bots on Telegram to trade them. You understand? You can use bunk bot on Telegram to trade this kind of coin. And I need to tell you guys that only put your money in these coins, these meme coins, the money that you can afford to lose, please and please. These coins can carry your money and run away. I'm not joking at all. And you must make sure that you do your research first. If you know that $20 is an amount that you can afford to lose on this coin, use $20 to invest in them. And you know that, okay, if it pumps, fine. If it doesn't, fine. Do you understand that now? Let's look at the gainers and losers on dexscreener.com. So you can see a lot of ecosystem. There's Ethereum, Solana, Blast, BSC, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, and all of them. But Solana is one of the trending ecosystem right now. I won't lie to you. It's one of the trending ecosystem. Smart Peep, Bonsai, a lot of them. Look at this now. This one is currently trending 91%. Look at that. 91%. I think this one is on the ETH ecosystem. This is how I know the logo of Ethereum. And then they wrapped it. Do you get? So coins like this should be able to be traded on Uniswap. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. This one is on PancakeSwap, Smart Peak. Smart Peak is currently trending 180% in profits. Do you see that? 180%. This means if you put $100 in this coin, and you are definitely going to see around $181 in profits. So that is it. That is it, guys. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. So I think we've done justice to that, and then we've taken a look at Bybit also. Or let's even check some other stuff on Bybit again. Let's stop this guy. Present, share screen, Bybit, share screen. So basically, Bybit is very, very easy for you. And even if you want to trade futures on Bybit, it's as well easy. Just come to this derivative and come to USDT portal. Once you see USDT, it will show you BTC USDT first. So probably even if Crypto Pastor calls any coin for you, because any coin that okay, we are buy this coin, long this coin, this is where you are going to get it. Let's say it says long Dodge USDT, or let's even look at Dodge USDT and see what can happen in that particular ecosystem. Dodge USDT, we have it here. So let's see Dodge coin. This coin is a coin that is backed by Elon Musk, anyways. It's one of Elon Musk's favorite coins. So definitely, it's like the king of memes. This Doge and Shiba Inu, sheep. People that have been trading crypto since 2021 will know what I'm talking about. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, very very crazy. Doge almost got to $1 in 2021, if I'm not wrong. Or did it even get to $1? No, I don't think so. But it actually tried. Let me check it on my trading view. Or let me see. I can as well see it here now. I can as well see it here. Dogecoin. It almost got to $1. Then is the way this thing is slow. Yeah, it's so slow, so slow. But basically, if you want to use the futures market, I advise if you are just starting, if you're a beginner, don't deal with cross margin. It's only if you know what you are doing that's when you should deal with cross margin. Just use isolated, JJL. Use isolated. And me personally, I first started with trading with one times leverage, then I moved to two times leverage, then I moved to five times leverage. Right now, I'm currently in 10 times leverage, and I don't think I'm going to go more than that. Do you get it now? So I'm not going to go more than 10 times leverage. That's my own rule. Do you understand that now? Because I don't want to over leverage. Do you get that now? So the quantity that you want to buy, you put that. Your TPSL, you put that. As long as you know the price. The crypto pastor tells you that long Dogecoin at 0.13. This is what you're going to do. You come here, enter 0.13. Do you get? And then the quantity of the Doge, you can change this to USDT. You understand? So that you can input the other value in USDT. So once you input it, let's say other value is $500. So the cost of the trade will be $50. 50 times 10, yes, equals to 500. So once you click on TPSL, let's say you want to long it, let's say you want to take profit at $1 now, for instance. And then your stop loss, you want your stop loss to be at $0.12, yes, $0.12. So look at this now. They said last share price that if this take profit should trigger, I'll be having a profit of $3,346. That's a 6,000% ROI. Yes, although that is really a long thing. That's really a long thing, very, very long. I wouldn't be taking that kind of trade anyways. I'm just doing it to make an example. Do you understand? So right here is the stop loss. I'll be losing $38 if the trade doesn't go my way, which is 0.12. So if I click on confirm, the TPSL will be set already. And if I want to take this trade right now, all I just need to do is to click on buy long. You get that? It will tell me to confirm. I'll click on confirm. So once I confirm, it will bring it to my current orders. To bring it to my current orders, and then you'll be able to see that. So here it is in my current order. The quantity of Dodge, 3,846 Dodge. The TPSL, $1. The stop loss, $0.12. Do you get that now? Do you get that now? So that's a long position. That's me betting that Dodge is going to increase in price when it first gets to 0.13. And I can also bet that Dodge will reduce in price. How do I do that? I short Dodge. Instead of clicking on buy long, I click on sell short. So if I'm selling shorts, my take profit target should be lower than my current price. You understand that now? And my stop loss price should be higher than the current my entry price. Do you understand that now? So it is very, very simple and easy to do and understand. So guys, make sure that you're trading with Bybit. It's very, very important. Now, if you have any question about everything I've talked about, or you have any question about trading, please do let me know in the chat section right now. If you have any question about trading or about everything that I've talked about, do let me know in the chat section so I can answer them ASAP. Fast, 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 fast. Let's just hold on for the question, guys. Ask me question, ask me question. I really want to know. Ask me question. Come on. I've said this earlier for the case of people that are just joining in. Um, if you are unable to access the Bybit web app or the Bybit application on your phone or anything, instead of going to bybit.com, go to bybitglobal.com. Do you understand that now? Go to bybitglobal.com. And I said earlier, make sure that you are trading on your Bybit account. Don't just open the account and leave it. No, trade, trade, trade. It's when you trade, you'll be able to make profits. You see those big, big profits you are seeing inside the group is because the person is trading consistently. Do you get that? God bless. I just inputted the values right now. It's not very hard. Just enter the box, enter your order price. Enter the order price, enter, or which value are you talking about? Is it USDT value? This is what I simply did now. Very simple. The price at which I want to buy, I just tapped it. I use the keyboard 0.13 on your phone to it to be available. Now the other value 500 because I'm using a 10 times leverage. Do you understand that now? So and then I know that I want to use a $50 cost. It's going to cost me $50. So 50 times 10 is 500. That's what I'll input here. Then my TPSL, I'll select the price of my take profit, the price of my stop loss. Do you understand that now? So and then I'll buy long. Do you understand that? So it's not so hard at all. It's not so hard. And then if it's, I want to bet that the coin is going to go down, I'll sell short. Do you understand that now? So it's not hard at all. It's not hard. It's not hard. Um, Blessing Dave. See this PI of the thing. I mean, I'm not a fan of PI. I'm not a fan of PI. You can just search or look for people that buy and sell PI. To me, I don't really think that thing is a coin. Sorry to say, for people that are mining it, it's not. There is no disrespect, anyways. So if you have any other question, kindly do ask me in the chat session so that I can answer to them as soon as possible. So I can answer to them as soon as possible. So I just ask your question, ask your question, ask your question, ask your question. Yes, you can cancel a trade when it is going against you. Let me show you how. So, for instance, let's say I already took that trade. It will move from this current order and it will now move to positions. Do you understand? You see 1 year. Now, let's say I'm already losing like $10 and I want to close that trade. I can just click on close or close position. I'll be able to close everything at that point. The amount I lost, that $10, that will be the only thing that I will be able to lose. You understand that now? So that's it. It's very simple to do. It's not hard at all. It's not hard. Yes, if you want to predefine your risk before entry, I think you should be using the calculator. Do you get me? Now, let's say for instance, now let's see this 4 hour chart. Yes, it's a 4 hour chart. So let's say for instance, I want to enter this coin, and then what coin is this again? This is Dojo. I don't really pump though. See 0.1 here. God of mercy. Uh, when was this? When was this? What date is this? I'm finding it difficult to see. What date is this? What date is this? This thing is not showing me the date. It's not showing me the dates. But I'm surprised though. Dogecoin. So fine, if you want to predefine your risk, do you understand? You use the calculator app. You know, when we wanted to enter, we said our entry will be 0.13, our stop loss will be at 0.12, right? Now that's the risk, 0.12. Now, for you to determine that, you need to use the calculator on the Bybit app. Here it is. Fine. Calculator. So fine, we are longing Bybit. The person should focus now. You guys should focus and see this. Now we input the amount of our leverage right here, 10 times leverage. Do you get that? 10 times leverage. Now the amount of Dodge that we want to be using, let's say, well, this thing is not allowing us to put it in USDT. But anyway, let's just say the amount of Dodge is 30 Dodge, right? 30 Dodge, right? Now the price at which you want to enter is 0.13. That's our entry price, right? Now, our close price, which is our stop loss, we want to predefine our risk now. Our close price, which is our stop loss, is 0.12. Is that not what we said? 0.12, right? 0.12. 0.12. Now, look at it. Look at this right hand side. This is the current risk. Now, the profit or loss, the profit or loss will be minus 7%. I mean, yes, that's minus 7%. And then the profit or loss is 0.3 USDT. Let's say, okay, let's now say it's about 300. What is it called? Let's say it's 300 Dodge. Let's say it's 300 Dodge. The loss will be $3. Do you understand that now? The loss will be $3. The loss will be $3. That's minus $3. So you know how much you'll be losing in the trade. Do you understand that now? So if you want to know how much you'll be making, so let's say our take profit is now 0.2. Say how much you'll be making. You'll be making $21, and that's 53% profits. And that's a 538% ROI. Do you understand that now? So that is it. That's it. It's not hard at all. I hope you understand that. If you want to predefine your risk, use the calculator tool. And you can use that to for the short position as well. If you want to short dodge, it's the same thing we are going to be doing. Do you understand? I hope you understand that explanation. Simple explanation. I think that is it. Yes, if you want to know how a coin will pump, you look at the hype around that coin, you look at the usability of that coin, you look at the hype, you look at the usability, you look at what else? The ecosystem which that coin is. Ecosystem also determines for you to know whether the coin will pump. And then look at the volume. Is the volume building? Hmm? Look at the volume as well. Is the volume building? Now, if I want to know whether this dodge will actually pump, I can know that through this volume right here. If you notice this volume was actually increasing. This volume was actually increasing. It started from here, it's increased, it's increasing in volume. So if it's increasing in volume, definitely it will still increase in price. Do you understand? So it's still increase in price. I hope that has answered your question. Um, Gbemi, I hope I've answered your question, Sha. How do I know when they come up? I just explained that. What's the difference between OKX and Bybit? They have both websites. No, I've not used OKX before, so I can't really say. I use Bybit and Bybit has been doing very well for me. So I advise you to use Bybit too, please. And use our link to register. Thank you. Yes, you can do TP1 and TP2. One easiest way for you to do TP1 and TP2 is that when you set your trade already, let's say you've already set your trade and then the market has actually pumped to your TP1. If you want to take profits in your TP1, just cancel or adjust your former take profit and set it to that TP1. Or probably if you are trailing stop loss, cancel your former stop loss and set it higher and move it higher. So probably if your trade now moves to TP2, you can now cancel where your stop loss is as before, move it to your entry level. After that, cancel the stop loss, move it to your TP1 level. So if it moves above that again, you can move your stop loss to TP2 again. So that's how to do it. And who else? How do I upgrade Bybit accounts to Unify? Bybit to Unify. I don't really understand what you're trying to say. Upgrade to Unify. I don't really understand, but I know Bybit offers this sub account of a thing. Do you understand? Um, it's because where you are moving your stop loss is too close. That's why. That's why it's too close. It's too close. If you are moving your stop loss, let there be distance. At least let the coin pump like 5% before you now move the stop loss. Do you understand? Let the coin pump like 5%. Do you understand? The strategy you can use to analyze the market. We just analyze the market. That's a top to down strategy. Probably you mean the strategy to trade. If you need strategy to trade, I think you can be using trend lines for now because you are currently in an uptrend. Do you understand? You are currently in an uptrend. So if you want to analyze the coin right now, you can use trend lines. You can use trend lines. Let me see if I can be able to draw a trend line right here. This guy is what they allow me. So this right here is a trend line. Why is this thing not aligned? Okay, fine. We setting by limits. Go away, Joe. So look at this right here. This is a 4 hour time frame. Can see that the price touched this guy, touched this guy here, touched this guy here. So probably when you notice that the price is already on this trend line, you can buy the coin here or long the coin here and take your profits here. When it's touched here as well, if you long the coin here, you already be in profits. So that's using trend lines. That's just using trend lines in summary. That's in summary. That's in summary. So let me see another question before we call it a night or before we call it a day. Um, don't ask me that kind of question on Valentine Summer. Which kind of coin is best to trade now? Because they are currently trading at the moment. So as you give you a point from the top of my head, you need to analyze the markets. Do you understand? Analyze or use the signals that crypto pastor is giving you. Okay. Time frame. We actually have a video that is coming up on explaining time frame and what kind of time frame you should be using. Do you understand? So the time frames you should be using, if you're a short-term trader, you should use 1 day time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. Or if you're scalping, use 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? But if you're a long-term trader, use 1 day time frame, use 1 week time frame, use 1 month time frame. Use them to analyze and trade. Yes, you can as well rewatch this video. You can rewatch it. We'll send you the YouTube link. Um, I just explained how to place order on sports, but I'm going to explain it again. Probably because you came late. So to place order on sports, just come to this trade, come to sports trading. Depends on the kind of coin that you want to buy. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Depends on the kind of coin you want to buy. So let's say, for instance, I want to buy BTC right now, BTC USDT. BTC USDT currently at 62,726. So let's say I want to now buy BTC at $62,000. I understand. Good. So I want to buy BTC at $62,000. I will input the amount I want to buy here. Yes. So $62,000. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now I put the amount of BTC. Let's say I want to. Okay, let me just use USDT to enter the value. Let's say it's $500 BTC I want to buy, right? That'll give me 0.008. You can buy lower than this amount. I think least you can buy is $10 or so. So once I do that, I'll just click on this buy USDT. Very simple. Buy USDT. Blah blah blah. So once I click on this buy USDT, I will just see my stuff here. I'll see my order here. She don't have any current order now. I'll see my order here. Do you understand? I'll see my order here, and then I'll be able to buy USDT as soon as possible. So I mean, I'll be able to buy BTC. Once the price just gets to $62,000, it will automatically buy that BTC for me. So it's not hard at all. It's not hard. And if you want to sell it back, just come to this same spot, click on sell. $62,000. Now increase it, right? I mean, I said increase it. You can max it out. Maybe it's all your BTC you want to sell, or just a particular value of BTC you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell $500 BTC that you bought, or you want to sell $500 from the one that you bought. Let's say it's probably pumped to like $65,000. Now you know you bought at $62,000. Now you input the price at which you want to sell $65,000. $65,000. Sorry, that's 66. $65,000. So once you do that, just click on sell BTC and then you'll be good. You can see $24 profit. So and then you'll be good. That's it. That's it. It's not hard at all. That's how to work on spot. Um, I just explained best strategy right now is the trend trading. Do you understand? I just explained how to buy on spots right now. I just explained right now. To cancel a trade on spots is easy as well. If you want to cancel, if you want to cancel or do anything, just come to this your current orders, cancel it, or even if you want to sell it. Do you understand? If you are buying on spots, you already have it in your account. So just come to sell. You see it. You can max out the amount of BTC that you want to sell. Do you understand? And then you'll be good. You'll be good. That's it. Um, I don't know. Don't ask me CRB USDT question. Go and do your research. Someone said, good evening. I mean, if you also ask if you are doing another live trade next Sunday, I come late. I go join. You can watch the recording. You can rewatch the recording if you came late. Do you understand? Um, if you want to determine the quantity in the calculator, you can as well first. You can as well first input the quantity in USDT value. Now, if I want to go and short this thing in a calculator, I'll just know that okay, I want to use $0.008. Do you understand? $0.008 that I will put in mind. So that's what I will input in the quantity in calculator. That's it. You can first come to this section first to do that. So it's not hard at all. So guys, I hope I've been able to answer your question. Thank you very much. Okay, once account be verified, I think if you want to deposit, you don't really need to be verified. But if you want to trade, you need to be verified. Please and please just make sure that you verify your account. Make sure that you verify your account. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. And trade with our Bible link. You guys get it. So thank you very, very much. Yes, we'll send you the YouTube link after I end this stream right now. We'll send you the YouTube link. And if you are not registered on Bybit, make sure that you use our link to register on Bybit. That's one way that you can use to appreciate us. And if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button right now. Like and subscribe to this stream. Like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe right now before you guys leave. I have about 50 people right here. Everybody should click on subscribe. If you are not subscribed, everybody should click on subscribe. Oh, subscribe right now, right now. Subscribe. Oh, that's one way you can use to pay us right here. Oh. Subscribe. This session is free. Oh. This session is free. Yeah, subscribe. ASAP. Subscribe. So that you can continue to enjoy you. Subscribe. Oh. Subscribe. I'm waiting for you guys. Please subscribe. Oh, yeah. Subscribe. So thank you. Okay, someone said what's the difference between limit order and market order? Limit order is you set the price at which you want to buy or sell, but market order is going to buy or sell for you at the current market price. As the current price you are seeing, as Bitcoin is $62,700, it's going to buy it for you at that price, or it's going to sell it for you at that price. The only thing you set is the amount, the quantity, the amount that you want to buy or the amount you want to sell. That's the only thing that you set. Do you understand that now? So that is it. That's the difference between limit and market order. I hope I've been able to answer your question. If you've uploaded all your documents and they've not yet gotten to you, I think maybe you should try and upload the documents once more. Try and go through the process once more and see if it goes through. So that's it. That's it. Give me guy, just explain how to guess the quantity. I've explained that. Just go to that features part, input the quantity in USDT in features, and then just write down the quantity in that coin's value. Let's say the coin's value is 0.008. Write it down. When you get to the calculator, go and input 0.008 in the calculator. Very simple to do. That's it. So that is it. That is it. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for attending this session. It's been a nice one. Thank you all. Thank you. I hope you guys are subscribed. I hope you guys are subscribed. Subscribe, oh, subscribe, subscribe. You know how these TikTok people used to say, tap, 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 keep on tapping, tap, 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 tap. But no, you're not tapping, tapping, tapping here. The only thing you should be tapping is tapping on subscribe and also tapping on our Bybit link to use to register. How come? This generator is full now. Okay, guys, thank you very much. It's been a nice one. Make sure that you have a nice night. We are definitely going to see you later. Bye for now.